And now, ladies and gentlemen, tonight's entertainment, will you welcome, please, Henry Forreston?
Hey, thanks everybody, thanks. It's good to see you here, man. I just flew here from Los Angeles. Boy, are my legs tired. I'm God's gift to women. Too bad they don't want to open their present. Hey, man, what's the best thing to come out of a forest fire? Roast venison. Hey, did you hear about the actress who they named her after where they found her? Sally Field? Hey, man, I'm not telling you what to do, but drugs ain't good for you, man. But were you ever so high that you were watching a bank heist movie and you called the police to report the crime? Man, being out here in the woods, you guys hear about that new genetically engineered animal? I'm really afraid of meeting it, man. Yeah, it's the bumblebee tuna. Does anybody know what state the president was born in? I kind of figured it was like us, naked and screaming. Do you guys see the new Christmas movie coming out? Willy Wonka and the Fruitcake Factory? What do you call a chicken with its head cut off? Dinner! Chicken Alfredo got its name from the Italian chef who invented it, but he was afraid to fight. What did Santa get Mrs. Claus for Christmas? A shovel. What did Mrs. Claus get Santa? A how-to sex manual. What's the difference between a regular cannibal dinner and a Thanksgiving cannibal dinner? The gravy. Yeah, Thanksgiving. I usually like to have an extra green bean casserole in case there's any vegetarians that come to dinner. I just don't tell them there's ham in it. If a plane crashes, does that make it a serial killer? Hey, you know what really blows me away? A really strong wind. Hey, thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Thank you so much. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thanks for coming, guys. We'll see you around the bend. And remember, tweet, tweet.